Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this DIY paper toy. So let's start. First, to make this, you will need a 10 cm by 10 cm square sheet. Fold it diagonally on both the sides. Open it and then fold this corner to the center like this. Fold it like this on all the sides. And now open it and fold it like this and then like this. Do the same on all the other sides. Open it, fold it and then back up like that. Open it, fold it, then back, fold it and then back. After folding it all the sides, you should have something like this. Now turn it the other side and then fold this corner to the center like this, and the other sides also. This, and then on the last side like that. And now when you turn it, you should have something like this. Now open it like this and then fold it like that. Do the same on the other side like that. Now push this corner in like that and this one. And now after you have folded it, you should have something like a heart. You should make 7 more pieces like this. I have used 4 colors twice. You can also do it in different colors. Now take your glue and then paste everything together. Some glue. Stick it on. Put some glue. Stick it. And now I'm putting the same colors. Like that. Red, and then green, and then it's blue. And then the last one, yellow. Like that. After you have pasted everything together, should put some glue on the last one here like that, and then open it, stick it to the first one like this, press it well, this. You should allow it to dry. After it has dried, you can play with it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.